My fellow Filipinos, I have said before that the impeachment of Sara Duterte is a stress test for our democracy. We are now reaching the most important part of this examination. In fact, this is a retake of last year's test. Last year, we failed it miserably. Now, we have a chance to do the right thing, not just to pass, but to get an excellent mark. We are seeing many favorable results in the House of Representatives. Meron na pong desisyon na iangat ang impeachment ni Sara Duterte sa Senado. 257 representatives voted in favor of Sara Duterte's impeachment proceedings. The representatives of the people, entrusted with the rule of law and accountability, are delivering results. Once again, we are closer to attaining justice. But there was a major shift in leadership in the Senate. Duterte senators took over and appointed a new Senate President. To top it all, Bato de la Rosa, who has been absent for half a year habang pinapasweldo ng bayan, suddenly appeared. Pagtrabaho, absent. Pagpolitika, present. Galit pa siya at nagpupustura doon na akala mo kung sino. For a criminal wanted by international law to drag the entire Senate into this disrepute is simply unacceptable. With desperate senadors and Duterte Mafia doing their last-ditch all-out attempt to ruin our institutions, malinaw, hindi pa tapos ang ating laban. Pero malapit na tayo. Unti-unti tayong umuusad pero hanggat walang nangyayaring mga paglilitis at pagpapakulong, hindi pa tayo pwedeng tumigil. Hindi pa tayo nananalo. As the House of Representatives is sending the articles of impeachment to the Senate, we have to be more vigilant. Let us be more involved. Let us organize. We need to demand accountability. We already have the sentiment, karamihan po ng mga Pilipino, ayon sa multiple reputable surveys, pabor sa impeachment ni Sara Duterte. They want to have a trial and for Sara to explain saan nanggaling ang bilyon-bilyon na pera na labas-pasok sa bank accounts niya. Mga kababayan, bantayan po natin ang mga senador natin dahil nangangamoy na meron na namang niluluto para pigilan ang impeachment trial. As we can see, nation building is difficult. No one can build a strong and prosperous nation overnight. It takes a lot of courage and even more hard work. It takes plenty of risks and sacrifice. Kaya natin gawin ito. We have done many things in the past. We can do more today and in the future. Huwag tayong papayag na mawalan ng pananagutan. Bantayan natin ang Senado and let us ensure that they shall convene the impeachment court forthwith. Arestuhin na si Bato de la Rosa. If they do not abide by the Constitution and the genuine will of the people, we should not hesitate to go to the streets to honor the legacy of EDSA. Ito ang EDSA ng ating henerasyon.